Richard Boyatzis and others developed a theory of intentional change. We call this the intentional change theory, or ICT. I've taken the liberty of modifying this. Originally, it was created for individual development, individual leadership development, and I've modified the thinking slightly so that it actually reflects team development, situational development, organizational development, and in particular, project design and execution. So I talk about this concept of a project ideal. What do we want to be? What do we want to achieve? What do we want to create? And then take an audit. So what's our current state? What are our real selves? What do we currently have to work with? And therefore, what do we actually need to develop to actually be able to create an ideal state, an ideal team with the right set of capabilities to execute on a project? Clearly, every team, every individual has powerful capabilities, powerful strengths. Otherwise, they wouldn't actually be on that. So we want to be very, very clear about our current state, understand our strength, and actually understand where we need to go. We use an expression like our gaps. What do our ideal, or how do our ideal and current state differ? And then from that, we create a learning agenda. What is it that we need to do to both execute on the project and also be our best possible example of ourselves? So, experimentation, trying new behaviors, taking the implicit things, the things that we do naturally, and making those explicit, growing them, sharing them with others, and absolutely building new behaviors, new ways of doing, literally, both individually and within a team. And we need to make those explicit and deeply understand those and start practicing those. So we talk about the behaviors, capability, and even building new neural paths that happens in team situations. And underpinning all of this is this concept of trust, strong relationships, powerful relationships, encouraging and supporting each other along the way. Clearly there's a very strong managerial and leadership imperative here, and leaders need to be very conscious of this and help create this kind of intentional change mindset and model. And of course, we just continue this iteration, and you continue to develop our strengths and new ways of working.